Welcome to LearnWire. Today I have a new software that we're going to be looking at. It's called Pushable. Now, what I'm always trying to do is find softwares that are related to your business and website building. I know a lot of my audience builds websites either for their side hobby or for their part-time job or even their full-time job. So you guys are content creators, you guys are niche website builders, and so I'm looking at softwares that are related to that type of business model, of course. And in this case, Pushable comes out. It's a software that's going to allow you to do push notifications to customers. So you can be building a list, an email list on your websites, right? Which is a strategy that has been around for 25, 30 plus years, right? And it's still effective today. Email marketing is still very, very powerful, but you're always wanting to get another way to be able to blast out notifications or updates to your website. And that's where this software is going to come in. Now you can watch the sales page video. Of course, they're going to be over hypey. I'm not going to go spend too much time on the sales page itself. I'm actually going to show you the software that I just picked up today. I did purchase this for you guys so I can go in and actually look at it myself. Now, I will be honest, when I logged in, I was a little bit, I thought it was a little spammy. It's very internet marketing related to the make money online industry, and I was almost kind of apprehensive to show you guys this today, but then I actually gave it a chance, went and installed some embed code. We're going to go and go through it and look at it. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this up and running on your own websites, but you can also use some of their own tools and strategies if that's what you want to do as well. So they also claim that you can make more money and that this type of notification to your customers is more powerful than even email itself. Not everybody's doing it. And if you subscribe to other softwares out there that they cost monthly memberships, and it's hundreds of dollars a month to be able to do this kind of technology. But in this case, you would only have to pay one time. Now this works on Chrome browsers, Android, Safari, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, the most popular web browsers, which is super cool. There will be a link below to Pushable. If you want to go check it out, you'll get onto the sales page, and then you'll just click this button down here, any of the green buttons, to go and pick it up. Yes, this is one of those offers that has one-time offers or upsells. I will show you kind of what those are going to be. Now, the front end price is only $15, and then you have an one-time offer. OTO stands for one-time offer for Pro Unlimited, and that's $67. And I'm not really sure. I just picked up the front end, and that's what I'm showing you guys today. So I'm not really going to be able to explain exactly what all these other ones are, but they will take you through these. You can either choose to ignore them after you pick up the front end product, which is going to be the most powerful part anyways. And if you don't want to go through all that sales mumbo jumbo, then just go ahead and just click off of it. They send you the login access directly to your email right after you pay for the front end. So you don't have to spend the next 30 minutes going through all these upsells if you don't want to. If you're a person that likes to look and see what they have to offer, then go ahead and go through it. So Pro Unlimited, OTO2 done for you. So they'll go out and build your own notifications and such for you. And then you have OTO3 pure 50K campaigns, right? That you could be doing affiliate marketing. Now, like I said, their campaigns are going to be geared toward the make money online niche. So if that's not the niche that you're in, then it may not be relevant to you. OTO4 done for you website, and OTO5 automation bundle. Now, I'm not going to be giving out bonuses on this one or anything like that. I'm just going to show you guys. If you see the value in it, great. You guys can move through and purchase it. If I brought value by showing you the insides of the software and how you can use it in your business, then of course I appreciate it if you purchase it through my link. But if you are looking for bonuses or something like that, I'm not going to have those on this video. Okay, so we're going to go through and let's check this out. So actually there's a ton of softwares. Apparently the software creator has a lot of different softwares that they offer. But in here, you're going to log in. It's going to be on this pro.club website. Once you get into Push Pro, you're going to have all these different options, and they do, let me go ahead and go back to, you will get an email that will take you through all the major directions you'll scroll down and then you get a ton of training videos. Watch the training videos. There's one, and you can see I watched a bunch of these in order to kind of get to know the software and then bring this to you guys today. This is not just, this is well thought out video and product review for you guys today. And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll scroll down. It looks like they numbered them. 15. So you're getting 16 training videos, right? And then resources section and stuff. So 16 training videos you get with this. And then you also get, the beauty of it is the software. So we're going to jump in, and here's the software, and I'm going to take you through this. Let's set up an actual campaign, and then you guys can see what this actually looks like. Okay. We're going to set this up on my website right here. One of my websites, Inspired Motivation. I don't mind showing this one because I've had this website for years, and it does have an audience, but it's just a good site to show you guys, kind of like a news motivation website is what this one is. So we're going to go and install this on this site. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're in here, we're going to go and create a list. We're going to call it Inspired Motivation. And then we're going to push save. Okay. So I'm on here, I'm going to push save, and then now we have a list here. Now we need to go in, and there's other ways we're going to use broadcasts later, right? And then the done for you and websites, those two are going to be, before we move on right here, let me go and show you, I guess, like the websites and the done for you section, because they actually have templates over here that you can actually go and use their own. If you are in the Make Money Online niche, you can use their websites where you can actually, if you have a YouTube page or something like that and you want to send people to a link and then have them sign up to your push notification, that means that's very powerful, because then you can, when anyone's on their computer, you can send out a notification and it's going to pop up on their computer. So that's why it's more powerful than even email. And if you don't have a website or any way of doing that, then you can use theirs right here if you want to. So then we have the done for you. And then they have all these different campaigns that are already pre-built for you. And a lot of them are, ClickBank offers, different types of different offers. Some of them are their products, but they're giving you affiliate commissions for that as well. Okay. So we're going to go through and let's finish. Let's go and set this up on our site. So we have our list. Now we need to go and build create a new opt-in. Okay. So now we have a new opt-in, and right here, I'm going to go ahead, and you can see I deleted everything, and now, but it's already saved in there, which is really cool. We're going to go ahead, and you can type whatever you want in here, depending on what niche you're in, but get instant notifications from Inspired Motivation, right? So I'm not going to make this any salesy or anything. It's just going to be the first to know about our new posts or something like that, right? And then if I wanted to send them a motivational offer or something like that, then I could. But this is even a powerful way to drive traffic to your website when you have a new post that you have published. And then we're going to go over here, and I'm just going to say yes, click, and then no right here. And then I'm going to go browse, and we're going to go and throw this logo up right over here, right, that I had just created. I actually just created this in Canva because I lost the logos that I have on my website. And so I actually just created this one. I think it looks pretty nice. And then we're going to push save. Okay. So this is what your notification is going to look like. You guys just saw that. So we have these different opt-in pages right here. Okay. So then now what are we going to do, right? Well, we're going to go and we're going to grab, this is the one we just, one of these we just created, but they're basically the same, right? One of them I needed to delete. I'm just going to go ahead and push delete on one of them. Okay, so here we go. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to push the embed. We can go and edit this if we want to, but we're going to push the embed button right here. And then this is where if you have multiple lists, they're going to show up right here, right? But watch, we're going to push Inspired Motivation. And then now watch what happens down here. When we click Inspired Motivation, your code's going to show up in this box down here, okay? So if I click Inspired Motivation, look, boom, we're going to automatically get access to the code right here. And then we're going to you can put in a tracking code like site right here, and you'll see right here, you're going to see the embed code from the site or the home page. If you only want to put it on your home page or something like that, you can put a different tracker right here. There is a even more additional technical, if you want to get really technical on your tracking, you can use this line here. And there is a training video specifically for that, but I'm not going to go over that right now. Now, here's where it's very important. You do need to select one of these because these are the services that they're actually using to push out the notice. So you do need to choose one of these. I'm going to go ahead, just the Push Pro. We're going to leave that. And then if we want to, we can actually, I'm going to see how this works. We're going to go and just, I want to make sure that they kind of go back to the home page of the website after we build it. So I'm going to go like this and just paste that in right there. So now look, the code updated as we added new features, right? So now we can just go and highlight this entire embed code right here. I'm going to say Control C, so copy that, right? And now it says choose your lists and copy and paste this into your website before the header tag. Okay, so now we're going to go into the website over here in the back end. I'm just going to show you, we're going to go into plugins, and this website is one of my first websites, and so it doesn't get updated a whole lot. And also I probably have a lot of plugins installed. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to add new, and then you're going to come over here, and then you're just going to say header footer. Just write in header footer. Okay. And once you go to header footer, there's different ones you can choose, right? Obviously just go with one that has good ratings and has been installed a lot. Now I use this one, head footer and post injections. Go ahead and install this one. It's got 5 stars, over 300,000 installations, 675 star reviews, and it's been updated within the last week. So this is a really good one. Go ahead and activate that. Now we're going to come back over here. Under settings, we're going to go to header and footer. Okay. Once we go to header and footer, we're going to come down here. There's different, I like it because it gives you a lot of different options. You can even turn just mobile on or off, something like that. You can do on just a single page. There's posts, inside posts, all kinds of really good options that you have, but really it's very generic what we're doing right here. We're just going to go up here. We want this page section injection, right? So we're going to say Control V, we're going to paste it in right there. And then I'm going to come down here. So you have your code injected right there. We're going to come down here and push save. Now this is really good for those that don't want to get into the coding and editing of the code of your website. By using this plugin, you'll be able to remove this custom code anytime you wish. And you know that you're not going to be ruining your website because you're using a plugin on top of the coding, right? Which is a really safe way of doing it. So then now let's go test this out. What is this going to look like on our site? I'm going to push refresh right here. And boom, here we go. Look at the notification comes up just like all those websites that do this to you. Maybe it's annoying to you, but you know what? Sometimes when I like the website, I actually will turn on the push notifications. So it says get instant notifications from Inspire Motivation. Be the first to know. Yes, click. So, right, we've got the logo. It's not spammy. It just says, hey, you know, do you want to subscribe and get notice when we do new posts? Of course, this could be something else. It could be you're just trying to get them to opt in at this point, and then we can sell to them later, right? So you're going to push yes right here. And then look, the push pro right here. It's going to take a second, and then done. And it's going to take them back to the home page right here. Okay. So then we can come back over into, right into our pushable dashboard. I'm going to come back up over into here and just push on lists. And you can see we have 1 subscribed. And subscribed in the last 7 days. So you get some statistics right here. Okay. So then the last thing is that you would go out and you would send a new broadcast, right? And then I'm just going to say, let's just say that this is a new offer today. And then we're just going to say, get motivated, for free. Something like that, right? And then we can put in a new image, and right here we would obviously a Chrome button text, click here, and then URL to load. Let's just go find another URL on our site. Motivation products. This is just a sample for you guys. We're going to go over here, read more. So we're going to try to sell this shirt or something like that, right? We just paste that in right there. I'm going to go ahead and grab that same image, throw it in. You can also have a big image at the top, so you can really put some bigger things right here if you want to. We can send this to this list, and we can it's going to schedule this at the next available time for us. We're just going to push save. Okay. So then now this is going to go out at that time, right? Which is not this time. I'm going to see if I can actually test this in front of you guys. We're going to go and we're going to select, and it looks like it just does on the hour, or wait, if you want to get specific, 12:25, it does military time, but 12:25, and I'm going to push save, and we'll be right back. And I'm just going to kind of wait here and see if we can get it to pop up for us. Okay, perfect. It worked. So this is what the pop-up notification looks like. It literally just popped up. I'm on my browser. I'm the subscriber that I just subscribed, right? And I did have to put an image. So I put in this image from Canva. I put in this offer right here, right? And right now, this notification literally just popped up on my browser, and I could have been on any website. I could have been in Gmail. I could have been anywhere on my computer. Imagine what the chances of someone being on their computer at that time when this is going to actually happen. So this is what the notification looks like. It actually looks really, really good. Pretty impressed with this. And then if they click here, it's going to take them to that link. Imagine how powerful this is. Now this keeps popping up right here. I'm not really sure why it keeps popping up. It should know that I'm subscribed, so I don't really know why that keeps popping up, but I think that's very minor. I can figure out why that's happening, and so forth. But right here, we just took them to this website. This could be any kind of offer. This could be the new post on your website you're trying to get people to go to. This is super, super cool, and it's pretty unbelievable that you can actually pick this up for $15. Now let's go see what some other softwares on the market cost, and we can come over here and go to pricing on Push Engage, and you're looking at $9 a month and then $30 a month right here, and then we'll come back over here to another one, WWO Engage, and look at its exact same technology, allow maybe later, and they have this right here. We'll come back through, and let's go look at the pricing on this page. And then let's go request pricing. So they're not even showing what the pricing is. Not really sure why they're not sharing the pricing. I'm sure this is pretty expensive if they're not exposing this for people to just know what the pricing is. I'm sure that this is very expensive. We're going to go to iZudo right here and go to pricing. And they start at their lowest plan is up to 3 websites and $85 a month, and then $250 a month. And so this is where I was talking about hundreds of dollars a month for, and this one I have seen. This one is a good one. And then you have Web Pusher right here. I'll go to pricing, and they have $29 a month, $49 a month, and so forth, right? So you can actually pick up this push notification software that's going to be able to do the same thing. And you can get this, you just click the link below, go check out the sales page. And if you click through, you can get it for $15 today. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. And again, go pick this up if it's something that you can use on your websites. If not, then thank you for joining me and watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.